Hello, hello. Today I was thinking we would go over germinating tomato seeds and talking about a few tomato varieties. But first, let's take a look at my grow shelf. This is my seed starting area. It's a 6-shelf wire rack from Costco with lights, which I've installed on the bottom sides of the shelves. I buy these as they go on sale, usually towards the end of the season. This has been a bit of a long project, so a little slow going, but we've now got it equipped to where 3 of these shelves can do the trick. But for seed sowing, for the beginning of this season, I'll only be using just this shelf here. I may expand to down there as the plants get bigger and need more space, but I think for now this one should be good. These heat mats as well, I wait for them to go on sale. So sometimes I'll find them on a really good deal. I've got a few more, some bigger ones as well, with little temperature dials, it looks like. I haven't used them yet. I might bust them out a little bit later. Here we've got some peppers that are already germinating, which I've already soaked in some water. So these are little paper towels with seeds in them. Alright, we're going to do a little seed starting here. We got a bunch of different tomatoes. This isn't all the ones I'm going to be doing this season, but it is a bunch of them. We got some kind of fancy Roma. We've got Brandy Boy hybrid, which I've never tried, but I've heard good things. We'll just see about that. Brandy Boy, which I tried for the first time last season. I was pretty impressed with the yield and the flavor. Very good stuff. Sun Golds, as always. These are absolutely delicious. Probably the most flavorful tomato that I can think of. And Rosella Purple. We're going to be trying this. I've never actually tried it. Heard about it last season. Obviously a purple variety of some kind. I hear the flavor's kind of smokier. But I guess we'll find out. We'll see how this one does. Alright, we're going to be sowing these guys. And we'll be doing that by taking a paper towel. I've already got some seeds in here from this Rosella Purple pack. But basically, we're getting this paper towel wet. Not completely soaking, but enough so that when it spreads out, it's just damp. Then we're gonna, oop, that's a little too much. We'll dump a few of these guys onto one quarter of the paper towel. Fold this guy over. And kind of press it down so the moisture spreads out. Here we go. Now we're going to place this in a Ziploc bag. We're going to label it. Rose, I'm just going to abbreviate it, Perp. That way so we can identify it later. Now, we're going to take this guy and we're going to move it over to my my heating mats over in my grow shelf. Right here. There's my peppers that I did earlier. My tomatoes are going to go on this side. And this is pretty warm, so it'll germinate the plants much quicker. These little seedlings will start popping out. We'll move them over to some trays. But for now, these are good to go. I'm going to do that with the rest of these guys, and then I'll catch up with you guys in a minute. Alright, so here we go. These guys are all ready. I've germinated all of them now. Now we'll wait and see what pops up. In about a week or so, or maybe 4 or 5 days, I'll start checking up on these to see if they're sprouting. I don't want to keep them in these paper towels too long to the point where they start rooting through the paper towel. But as soon as I start seeing the little tails poke out, that's when I'll know to move them. Yep, once again, here's some of my peppers. But yeah, this isn't all the tomatoes I'm going to be doing. I've got some Mountain Magics on the way, and I'm still kind of in the market for an Oxheart variety. But we'll see, we'll see. Pretty exciting stuff, and I'll update you guys on that in a future video. But for now, that's kind of all I wanted to show. I hope you found this video interesting or insightful. This is my first ever long form video. I intend to keep them short and sweet because I know gardeners don't have 40 minutes to learn something that should only take a minute. I spent a lot of time sifting through a lot of long videos trying to get information when I first began gardening, and I wouldn't want to put anyone through that. I'd like to hear your suggestions in the comments, and if you got anything out of this video, maybe share it with somebody or leave a like, maybe? It would let me know I'm on the right track with this style of video. I'd like to thank you for watching and my 2,000 subscribers which support me. You guys have made this a pleasure.